Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, but the thought of investment holds you back? Well, we've got some good news. Today we're diving into a world where dreams transform into reality without costing a dime. We're about to explore 7 business ideas that you can kickstart without any monetary investment. Ideas that leverage your skills, passion, and the power of the digital age. So if you're ready to explore some exciting business opportunities, stick around. First up on our list, freelance writing. Now, what is freelance writing? It's essentially selling your writing services to multiple clients instead of working for a single employer. This means you're your own boss, setting your own rates, choosing your own projects, and working on your own schedule. The potential for earnings can be substantial, depending on your expertise and the demand for your writing style. From crafting compelling blog posts to writing engaging social media content, the opportunities are countless. However, it does require a solid command of language, creativity, and the ability to meet deadlines. You also need to be persistent, as building a client base might take some time. The beauty of freelance writing is that it demands nothing more than a computer and a reliable internet connection. So, if you have a knack for words and love telling stories, this could be your zero investment business. Next, we delve into the world of online tutoring, a realm where knowledge is currency and your wisdom, the product. In today's digital age, the demand for online tutoring is skyrocketing. Parents and students alike are seeking out experts in various subjects to supplement traditional education or even replace it entirely. The beauty of online tutoring is that you only need expertise in a specific subject. It could be anything from algebra to zoology, as long as there's a demand for it. You could be a college student, a retired professor, or a passionate hobbyist. If you've got the knowledge, there's someone out there willing to pay for it. Online tutoring offers flexibility like no other. You set your own hours, your own rates, and you can work from anywhere in the world. And the potential for growth? Immense. As your reputation grows, so does your client base. Before you know it, you could be running your own online tutoring empire. So if teaching is your passion, this could be your zero investment business opportunity. Our third business idea is social media consulting. Picture this, you're the go-to guru for all things Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. As a social media consultant, you're the one molding the online persona of a brand, crafting engaging content, and navigating the ever-changing currents of social media trends. In today's digital age, businesses large and small are recognizing the power of a strong online presence. They're looking for experts who can guide them through the complex labyrinth of social media, helping them to connect with their target audience and amplify their brand message. The demand for social media consultants is on the rise, and with it comes the potential for substantial earnings. All you need are your skills, a device, and an internet connection. No investment required, just your time and expertise. So, if you're a social media whiz, this could be your zero investment business. Moving on to our fourth business idea, becoming a virtual assistant. Now, what does a virtual assistant do? Well, they handle administrative tasks remotely for businesses and entrepreneurs. This could involve everything from managing emails and schedules to handling social media and customer service. In this digital age, the demand for virtual assistants is growing rapidly. Especially with the remote work trend on the rise, more and more businesses are seeking support that doesn't require physical presence. And let's not forget, working from home gives you the flexibility to balance your work and personal life. Being a virtual assistant isn't just about answering emails, though. It's about being reliable, efficient, and resourceful. It's about helping businesses run smoothly without the need for a physical office. All you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and strong organizational skills. If you're organized and efficient, this could be your zero investment business. Next on our list is the role of a personal fitness trainer. In our fast-paced world where health is becoming a priority, the demand for personal fitness trainers is on the rise. More and more people are realizing the benefits of having a fitness expert guide them towards their health goals. Being a personal fitness trainer doesn't require a huge financial investment, but it does require a wealth of knowledge about fitness and health. You can gain this knowledge through personal experience, online courses, or even through self-study. The key here is to be able to help your clients achieve their fitness goals effectively and safely. The potential for high earnings in this field is real. You can start by offering your services to friends and family, then slowly build your clientele through word of mouth and social media. Fitness training is a business that grows as you grow, both in expertise and reputation. If you're passionate about fitness, this could be your zero investment business. Our sixth business idea is offering graphic design services. In our rapidly digitizing world, the demand for graphic design is booming. Every company, big or small, needs a designer to create engaging visuals that tell their brand's story. From logos and business cards to social media graphics and website layouts, there's a vast array of projects you could be working on. Now you might be thinking, don't I need expensive software? Well, not necessarily. There are plenty of free or low-cost alternatives to professional design software that are perfect for beginners. And don't worry if you're not a naturally gifted artist. Graphic design is as much about problem solving and communication as it is about artistry. You can learn the technical skills with practice, but creativity, that's something you already have. With the potential for high earnings and the flexibility to choose your own projects, graphic design is a compelling business opportunity. If you have an eye for design, this could be your zero investment business. Finally, we come to our last business idea, blogging. Often overlooked, blogging possesses an impressive potential for income generation. It's all about sharing your passion, your knowledge, and your unique perspective with the world. But how does one monetize a blog, you might wonder? There are several avenues. Affiliate marketing is one. You promote a product or service on your blog, and when your readers purchase that product through your link, you earn a commission. Another is advertising. You can host ads on your blog, and with each click or impression, you earn a small amount. However, the key to successful blogging is consistency. You need to regularly update your blog with fresh, engaging content. It might seem like a slow start, but with time, your audience will grow, and so will your income. If you love sharing your ideas with the world, this could be your zero investment business. There you have it, 7 business ideas you can start with zero investment. Let's quickly recap, shall we? First, we talked about freelance writing, a great way to put your wordsmith skills to work. Next, we delved into online tutoring, where you can leverage your knowledge in a particular subject to help others. We then explored social media consulting, a fantastic opportunity for those savvy with various social platforms to assist businesses in boosting their online presence. Our fourth idea was becoming a virtual assistant, a role that's in high demand for those skilled in organization and time management. Idea number 5 was working as a personal fitness trainer, perfect for those passionate about health and fitness. Then, we looked at graphic design services, where your creative talents can help businesses visually communicate their message. And finally, we discussed blogging, an excellent platform to share your thoughts, ideas, or experiences with the world. But remember, while these business ideas require zero financial investment to start, they do require something else: your time, your hard work, your dedication, and above all, your passion. These are the real investments you need to make. It's not about finding a quick and easy path to success, because let's be honest, there's no such thing. It's about finding something you love to do, and then doing it so well that people can't help but pay you for it. And yes, there will be challenges. There will be days when you question your decisions, when you think about giving up. But remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced these moments. What sets them apart is their resilience, their ability to bounce back, to learn from their mistakes, and to keep moving forward. So, here's the final takeaway. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there never is a perfect moment. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Now, it's your move. Choose the idea that resonates with you the most and start your entrepreneurial journey today.